First I will answer, it's not tough. Name is Python programming, but Python will not gobble you. Don't be scared of the subject. Key to success is knowledge is treasure and practice is the key. So teacher imparts knowledge and you have to grasp that knowledge. As far as Python programming is concerned, programming basically helps you make a logical mind. Programming helps you in problem solving. Not only the program writing you learn, but you learn how to solve the given problem, how to focus on the problem solution. So when the Python programming is being taught, every topic taught is related to the next topic. So when in class 11th, when the basic programs were taught, the basic concepts should be clear. You find anything tough in any subject until the concepts are not clear. Once the concept is clear, you find everything easy. And it requires a lots of practice. When in class a topic is being taught, you need to revise it same day. Don't leave it. A major problem is the procrastination. You leave it, I will learn it later on, or when the chapter will end, then I will practice the program. Stop that habit. When a particular topic is taught, same day practice programs based on that. If you will continue like this, you will never face problem in programming. When the if-else was taught, if you have practiced that, you are not going to face problem when the loops are taught. When the looping is taught, next comes the list, tuples, dictionary, everything is related to the previous chapter that was taught. So lots of practice is required. As in maths, you need to practice exercises. Same way, programming can be learned with practice, and definitely it will help you in all fields. Because today everywhere, data science, everywhere the Python is being used. So don't be scared of the subject and prepare well. We all are here to help you. And remember this, don't hesitate in asking questions in the class. Whenever you face any problem, you should ask the teacher, practice, come with your problems. We are here always to solve. Wish you good luck, all the best. Thank you.